Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to put affiliate links on WordPress blog. It's very simple, let's begin. First, go to your WordPress blog in Amazon or some online markets and let's go back to your WordPress. And make sure that you're logged in into your WooCommerce. Now, to start, go to Products and click this tab, Add New. Now go back to your online market like Amazon and you can also copy the name of the product, or let's say example product. In here you can add description of the products they're selling. And below you can also edit the product data and simply select affiliate product. In here, paste the URL of the Amazon product you're going to affiliate. And this is where you can edit the caption of your affiliate. And put here the price, and if ever they're on sale, you can add it too. Now the rest part of below is not that important because we're just going to affiliate the product. We only need the description and the link of it. Now once you're done, go to products and view your affiliate product. You can also add thumbnail or picture on it to look more attractive. Just that simple. I hope this video helped you out.